In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram filters to make your pictures look better. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open Instagram, then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Then you're going to select the image that you want to edit and you're going to tap on next. Now here you're going to see 5 different options. The first one is going to be to add music. The second option is going to be to add any text to your image. The third option is going to be for you to add more pictures to your post. And then the fourth option is where we want to go. This is where all the Instagram filters are going to be at. So go ahead and tap right there. If you scroll to the right, you're going to see that Instagram now has a lot of different options for filters. At the beginning, they only had a few, but now you can honestly edit any picture using only Instagram. One of the most popular filters are going to be these ones that I'm going to show you. Harris is one of my favorite filters that Instagram has. What it does is pretty much just blur out any imperfections that you see on the pictures. And to adjust the filter, what you can do is double tap on it. And then you're going to have the option to add more of the filter or to add less by just moving this to the left or to the right. The Gritty Effects is one of the best black and white filters that I have seen on Instagram. And again, you can just edit it by adding more or less by double tapping on the filter. So go ahead and play around with the filters until you find one that you really like and that goes well with your picture. In this case, my picture has a lot of green in it. So I'm going to use this boost filter and I'm just going to drag it down all the way until 25. Once you're done with your filter, go ahead and tap on done. If you want to continue editing your picture, you're going to tap on the 5th option. And here you can adjust more settings of your picture. You can edit the brightness, any structure, the contrast, the warmth of the picture. And to do that, you simply have to tap on the icon and drag it to the left or to the right if you want to bring it down. With this picture, I'm going to take the brightness a little bit to the left. And I want to add more green to it. So I'm going to tap on color. Then I'm going to select highlights and I'm going to click on green. And this will give more green highlights to my picture. If you want to give your picture that nice little fade effect, you can do that in this cloud icon. And you can just drag the fade all the way to the right until you like it. If you need to play around with the shadows, you can do that as well. And you can even sharpen your picture if you want it to be a bit more detailed. Once you're satisfied with your picture, go ahead and tap next and add your caption and your picture is ready to be posted. Hope that helped.